Here's how to lace sneakers in a standard style. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So take this one down into this a little way, smooth out your lace, and then take the other eyelet through like this. And then before you pull all those laces through the two bottom eyelets, grab a hold of your sneakers, bring your two lace ends together, and just pull, and that will mean your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it at all, just pause the video and make sure each side is equal before we carry on. Great, then we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the right, and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next eyelet up from the bottom on the left, from underneath this time, just like this. So feed it through from underneath, looking good. Then swap back to your other lace, bring it over, and then you want to bring it over to the right hand side and up through the second eyelet from the bottom from underneath on this side. Looking good. Then keep hold of the same lace on the right, bring it over to the left, up through the next empty eyelet, and then swap to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet. Looking good. We're going to repeat that. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet. Then keep a hold of your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet. Now, depending on the model of your sneakers, you might have more or less eyelets than me, but this pattern continues on the exact same way. Until we reach the top eyelet, then we'll do something a little bit different, but I'll let you know when. So keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet. Then bring your lace on the left over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet. If your sneakers have a little tongue loop, like a lot do, when you reach the tongue loop, the way we use it is keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it through the tongue loop when the lace is about level, and then bring it up through the next empty eyelet on the left. And then we do the same with the lace on the left. We bring it over and through that tongue loop, making sure it's sitting nice and neatly on the lace that's already in there. And then you just bring it up through the next eyelet on the right, like this. Then keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, up through the next empty eyelet. Then swap back to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet. And now we've reached our final eyelets. Keep hold of the lace on the right, up through the final eyelet on the left. Swap to the one on the left, up through the final eyelet on the right. And then this is where we tie our little lace bow. So just go ahead, knot your laces and tie your bow as usual, just like this. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace sneakers. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys.